Sit back, relax, and close your eyes. And imagine that you're sitting at some really nice, relaxing, peaceful place. And as if there is this beautiful, relaxing, soothing light that's shining right above you. And this light is slowly entering your head, relaxing your head. It slowly enters into every neuron in your brain and moves to the front of your head. Your forehead begins to relax. The light slowly moves into your facial muscles and your cheeks begin to relax, really relax. The light continues to move into your jaws, relaxing all the muscles on your face. The light slowly moves to the back of your neck and the back of your head as it enters your shoulders, relaxing your shoulders completely. The light slowly moves down into your upper arms, your elbows, your wrists, slowly moving into the palms of your hands, relaxing each and every finger in your hand. The light continues to relax as you continue to go down deeper and deeper inside, all the way down deep. Once again, imagine this light now moving down from your shoulders into your back, your upper back, slowly relaxing, moving down into your lower back, all the way down to your hips and the back of your thighs, slowly into the hollow of your knees, into the calves and ankles, and the soles of your feet and your toes. Your head area and your back area are completely and totally relaxed. This light now moves from your shoulders into your chest, slowly relaxing all the muscles on your chest as it enters inside, and your lungs relax, your heart relaxes. The light continues to move into your abdominal area, and all the organs inside relax more and more. Relaxation continues to spread into your thighs now, and the bones within your thighs, and your knees relax, and your shin bones, the instep of your feet. And with every word that I say, you continue to relax, going down deeper and deeper, knowing that every time you relax this way, you go deeper, faster. Every time you relax, you go deeper, faster. Every time you relax, you find that your concentration gets better. And when you are relaxed, you are completely and totally receptive to healthy, positive suggestions. Knowing that any negative thought, negative idea, negative suggestion, whether it comes from inside you or from outside, you reject it, refuse it, cancel it. Positive thoughts, positive suggestions, positive ideas, whether they come from inside you or from outside, they leave a lasting impression on you. Negative thoughts, negative suggestions, negative images have no impact on you. As you continue to go deeper and deeper, more calm, more relaxed, and more peaceful with every breath that you take, knowing that you are a complete human being. You are complete. You have all the resources you need. Now, in a moment, I'm going to count to three. As I count to three, you will start coming back at a rate and speed that's most appropriate for you. And in next 30 seconds or so, you will open your eyes and come back feeling mentally relaxed, physically refreshed, physically relaxed, mentally alert. I'm going to count to three now. One, two, three. Start coming back, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. That's right. Come all the way back. And when you're ready, just come all the way back, feeling mentally relaxed, physically refreshed. Come back. And when you're ready, just open your eyes. That's right. Come back and open your eyes.